It is one of America's most classic and iconic traditional names, but many people still rush through its smooth single-syllable sound. Let's master Joan. While it looks incredibly similar to names like Joanne, the standard American industry pronunciation is Joan. First part, a cool, sharp container of grape jelly, or a fun, energetic morning jog. Jaw. Last part, a heavy bowling ball hitting a pin, or a beautiful queen wearing a royal crown. Own. Put it all together fast. Joan. Say it out loud. Joan. 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 Joan comes from a celebrated lineage of historical biblical translations, which explains the deep global heritage of the name. Joan is actually a female variant of John, and it historically ranks as one of the most popular names for queens across Europe. Like, comment, and subscribe.